So this is a girl. She's 3 months old. She's 6 kilos. She's 34. She's new. She's from Lefkona. They found their tree. They're a family of 3. They found them on the side of the road. They were hiding in the bush, it looks like, because they have some skin problem. So they're under treatment. So, but they're okay. They're okay. This will be a big dog. We're talking 16 more. That's it.